Hi folks, and welcome back to Rat Queen Bikes. Okay, well you remember the tubes that I took off the back rack? Well, I am going to replace them with these super cool boxes. And they're just going to look awesome on the Dragonaut. So today I'm heading round to a friend's house and they're going to help. I want a steel plate of some kind welded onto either side of the back rack, and then that way these can go on permanently. Keep watching. Well, this is going to be fun. Hello, how you doing?
That's it then, still going.
It's still going yet. I know.
Aye,
It gets worse, doesn't it?
it does. I'll tell you what's got to be worse.
What?
You need to disconnect your battery from welding this.
That's okay.
That's okay.
It's easy done.
Happiness.
Yep. That's okay. I'll take that off. Yep, no problem. Yep, just a little bit more decluttering.
Beautiful. Well, squint as hell at the back.
My back rack squint.
Squint. More twists than that than me in a brothel. Right. So it's got to go. That's it. Don't mind with that. Right, I'm reading. You take that
Right,
stage
cans
tape
out the
off
road.
here, the wee grinder. So that's where we're going to sit.
Squint back
It's
rack.
basically here.
Well, actually, I did know it was a wee bit skew-whiffy because it was made for me.
Don't look. That's it. That's strong enough, the rest of the bike will fall apart before that comes off.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Are you there? You can hint to do it.
No, I'm definitely not asking for perfection. It's a rat bike.
Well, you're getting it whether you want it or no. What I just said now, right?
Other side, yeah. Yeah, that's brilliant.
Pretty good.
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
Right then.
That'll do. Right.
Right, see you later.
Okay.
Have fun.
Thanks. Thanks, Billy. See you later.
Bye.
So that's a good job done. Yep, I'm pleased with that. What would you do without friends, eh?